Let's learn how to replace and adjust the diverter pieces. If you only need to adjust the wall roller diverter and not the front wheel diverter, skip to this timestamp. To replace the front wheel diverter, you will need a 7/16" wrench. Unscrew the nut on the inside of the wheel. Remove the diverter from the wheel and replace it with the new diverter by inserting it in the up position. These are side-specific, so make sure the correct diverter is mounted for each side. Let it fall and rest. Replace the nut you just removed and lightly tighten it. You want the piece to pivot like this. To replace and adjust the wall sweeper diverter, you will need a 9mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver with a long enough shaft. Unscrew both screws with the wrench and screwdriver. And replace it with a new diverter piece. Let's adjust it before tightening it. Place the basket on its side on a flat surface next to the wall sweeper. The roller blade wheel should be in contact with the bottom of the basket like this. With the diverter loose, adjust it no more than 1/4 inch off the basket bottom. You don't want the diverter to catch the side wall, so it shouldn't touch the wall, just be close to it. Now, let's adjust the height off the floor. Grab the ejector tool and slide it under the diverter piece. Tighten it at this height. The diverter piece should sit slightly off the ground and off the wall. If you have any questions, please give us a call or email us.